Hey guys, this is Mrs. Farron, the Technology Facilitator at Butler High School, and this quick video tutorial is to show you a few of the great things that are available for you in One Access from the Charlotte Mecklenburg Public Library to all students. This week is One Access Week, and so we are encouraging all students to log into the account, especially if you haven't done it lately, to see what resources may be available to you. So the first thing you need to know is the website. It's a great one to bookmark. It's cmlibrary.org. cmlibrary.org. cmlibrary.org will bring up the Charlotte Mecklenburg Public Library's website. We are going to click Accounts on the top right-hand corner. Your account information is listed on the page, but if you need it, your account information is right here, and it will be simple. Your account ID number is your student ID number, and your PIN is your birth year, the year you were born. So I'm going to log into the website as a student so you can see what kinds of information you will be able to access. If it's the first time you're logging into the account, you may be asked to create a username and to enter an email address. You'll want to do that simply so that you have a unique username for your account and a valid email address, so if ever you want to reserve a book, the library can contact you. You do want it to be an email address that you check, not just your CMS school one, because it will not get information from the public library. So this is the page once you've logged in. You can see books that are recommended for you. You can simply search in the keywords to find a book. With your student ID, you can go to any public library and check out up to 10 books for free, and there will be no fines associated with them if you use your student ID. Remember, you can get your student IDs in the library here at the school. But I want you to look under Resources. I want to take a minute and show you some things that are under Resources. So under Resources, we have a plethora of databases and access points that you all have free. For each one of these, it will tell you with an icon what it is, what you can access, or you can click the Learn More and it will tell you more about the database. If you want to access the database, you click Access Now. On the far right-hand side, you have search features that you can narrow your search. I want to draw your attention to a few of them I think that you will appreciate. They're ebooks, audiobooks, music, videos, magazines, research databases, external websites, and newspapers. So a lot of you like to listen to music on your Chromebooks and it gets blocked. If you click Music, it will pull up the databases that you have for the public library. You have Freegal Music and you have Hoopla Music. Both of them you can access by logging in with your account. So I'm in Freegal Music. You'll have to click the login button and put your ID number in one more time, but you can search any of the music and it will stream free. So again, grunge rock classics are my favorite, and I just hit stream and it will play right on your device. Okay, I have my my volume turned to mute so you can't hear it, but remember that your teachers have to give you permission to use it, okay? So that is music. Let's look at a couple other resources that we have available to us. We also have movies, so you can access recent movies. All you have to do again is under Resources, click Videos or Movies, and it will pull up all the databases that have movies in them. Hoopla is my favorite. I actually use this to teach school, but there's several in here that you can look up. And Hoopla has some pretty good movies that are available to you. Again, you may have to log in with your account one more time, but then you can browse. It may not have the newest movies, but it has a lot. So here's Batman. Okay, and if I want to borrow, I can hit borrow and then open it up on my device and stream it. Okay. So that is movies and music. Another one I want to draw your attention to, it's Tutor.com. So let me go back one more. Tutor.com is a free resource that's available to all students that they can actually chat with a live tutor that has knowledge on their content area and get feedback. So Tutor.com will be under T, or I could search for it. Here's Tutor.com, and so when I access it now, again, it may ask me to enter my ID number and my PIN number one more time. Once I'm into the site, the first one I can do is connect with a live tutor. And what you can do right now, it's going to say it's closed because I'm during school hours, but between the hours of 4 p.m. and 12 a.m., you can contact any live tutor. You'll put in the subject that you need. and then what you're having trouble with, and they can live chat with you at any time on your topic. Subjects range from math, English, all the way up to AP courses, foreign language. This is also available in Spanish and in English, and it is a live person. This is my daughter's name. You get 10 sessions free a week. You can also submit a paper for review. To submit a paper for review, it takes 12 hours for them to review it. You simply tell them what you're needing help with, and it will do both a paper or a resume, seniors. You put in your grade level and the information about your paper, and then you attach the file. So you'll need to download your file and put it in. 12 hours later, you'll get a document back with feedback that you can improve on before you have to submit it to your teacher for a grade. I have a lot of my juniors and seniors that are doing that already. There are also practice quizzes. So you'd simply select a topic, and the topics are changing, and then select a quiz, and you can take practice quizzes to prepare for tests in advance. And if you're getting ready to take the SAT and ACT, there's practice sessions that you can join for free. Again, that will help you prep for your course. All this is available by Princeton Review, which is normally a paid subscription that students would have access to get access to. And this is free for you guys. So take advantage of all the great resources that are available to you with one access. Log in and check it out. There's something for everyone in here. Enjoy.